In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mail on Proton from Alias. If you use aliases to keep your primary address private or to organize different parts of your life, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to compose and send a message using one of those aliases in Proton Mail. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser and heading to your inbox. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main toolbar at the top. To begin a new email, click New Message. This opens the Composer window, usually in the bottom right or as a full panel depending on your layout. Before you type anything, look for the From field at the top of the Composer. Click it to open the address chooser. Here, pick the alias you want to send from. If you've already created aliases in your account, they'll appear in this list. Choosing the right alias up front keeps your conversation consistent and helps the recipient immediately recognize which context you're writing from. If you don't see the alias you expected, it may need to be enabled in your account settings or included in your plan. But for now, just select an available alias that fits the message. Move to the To field and enter your recipient's email address. Take a moment to double-check spelling and any autocomplete suggestions, especially if you manage multiple contacts. If you're emailing several people, you can add them here as well. But remember that everyone in the To field can see each other's addresses. Once those details are set, type a clear, concise subject line that matches the purpose of your email. A good subject helps with deliverability and makes the thread easy to find later. Then compose your message in the body, write as you normally would. Using an alias doesn't change how your message is written or delivered to the recipient. When you're satisfied, click Send. Proton Mail will deliver the message using the alias you selected in the From field. That's all there is to it. With this simple flow, you can confidently send mail from the right identity every time.